I searched how to buy shares of Meteoric Resources NL to show the process. Meteoric Resources NL trades on the CBOE AUS under the ticker MEI.ASX and operates in mineral exploration. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker MEI.ASX to locate the listing. Then select the result that clearly shows Meteoric Resources NL on the CBOE AUS market. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm you have the correct security. Verify the instrument displays MEI.ASX and the exchange to avoid picking the wrong listing. To place a buy order, click Invest, enter the amount you wish to commit, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed when trading reopens. If there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it can confirm the trade. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to explore the platform further.